Hey guys, Russ here. Today we're going to learn how to convert meters to feet. The question is, how many feet are in 15.6 meters? And 1 meter is 3.2808 feet. Very, very simple. Start out with the unit you're given. That's meters. You're going to multiply that by something to give yourself feet, or FT. The unit meters goes on the bottom. The unit feet goes on top. Why do we do this? So that the meters will cancel out, leaving us in the unit we want, which is feet. Plug in some numbers. We know that in 1 meter, there's 3.2808 feet. We know we're starting with 15.6 meters. Crunch, crunch, crunch in your calculator, and you get 51.2 feet. Okay? And that's how you solve for how many feet are in 15.6 meters. Hope that video was helpful to you. Have any questions, please leave a comment below. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I want to wish you all good luck and good chemistry. We'll see you soon.